All right, question 8, we've got a graph and then we've got to find the equation of the inverse. Okay, so for II, this is literally a circle, center, -1, -1, radius 9. Which means so x plus 1, so we're center -1, y plus 1, center -1, radius 9, so, sorry, radius 3, because it's 9, 3 squared is 9. So let me try and get this to match up. So that's it. So the inverse relation of that is it reflected along the line y equals x. Yeah, I'm going to need a lot more room for this one. Which means, well, it's literally just that again. So its center is now -1, -1. Yeah, it's just that again. So the domain of the function, well, the x's were between -4 and 2, and the y's were between, well, -4 and 2 again. And for the inverse, it's going to be the same. Okay, if we do number 3, this one's a bit harder. We've got y equals x squared take 4. Let's sketch it. X squared take 4 just means it's been moved down 4. So it's going to look like that, but better. If we reflect that along the white line y equals x, so along this line, it just ends up being on its side. Let me draw this better. Like that instead. I should do that in a different color. Okay, so the function, the domain was all real numbers. So there was no restriction on the domain. The range, it was bigger than or equal to -4, like it was all above -4. And for the inverse, the domain this time was bigger than or greater than -4, and the range, eventually it'll reach all real numbers.